Hello everyone, my name is Tikhon Pachin. This is my submission for LAB4 for ECE 40862. I'm going to show my working solution. Here is the pinouts and the connections for my chip. The push button is connected to ground through the resistor and to the volts, to the 3-volt channel, and the output goes into IO27A10. The LEDs are connected, the green LED is connected to IO13A12, the red LED is connected to IO32A7, both of them are connected to ground on the output. And as far as the connections go, it did not change since LAB3. The only thing that has changed is that I disconnected the touchpad. This is the only change since LAB3. So now I'm going to show the working solution as it works. So I'm going to run the client right now. As you can see, it shows the whole data and the temperature data, and it shows the network that I'm connected to and the IP address. It's gonna get updated every 16 seconds, as seen here. So here it just got updated to the new temperature and the new hole readings. And if we take a look at the things peak, we can see this change. You can see this change right here. It's gonna change soon again. It's gonna add a new data point, data entry. Here it is, we have 2 data points. Right now they stayed constant, but they do change every once in a while, as you can see on my screenshot in my folder. I'm just gonna wait for the other one. Yes, so here it changes. The temperature doesn't change as much, but the Hall sensor does change the data. Sometimes the temperature also varies, so I mean it is, you can see that on my screenshot. Okay, and so I'm gonna stop running the client right now because I've already shown everything. And now I'm going to run the server. And as you can see, it shows the IP address as well. It shows the onboard temperature sensor, Hall sensor data, the value of the red LED, the green LED, and it also shows the switch value as well. So right now it's 0 since the button is not pushed. Okay, so the values are going to change every time I do a request from the server. So I'm gonna go ahead and reload the page just to show that it works. So here's the reloaded page, and it shows all of the information already. Like it shows that it's 51 volts for Hall, the temperature, the red LED value state, and green LED state. If I refresh the page, it automatically changes to the most current value of the data. If I turn the LED on, it lights up. As you can see right here, it lights up, and this changes to 1. If I turn the green LED on, once again the whole changes. The temperature stays constant because it's pretty consistent anyway, but everything else in this sense works. And I've also implemented the extra credit assignment, the switch current state. So if I press on the button right now, and it changes to 1 until I hold it, until I stop holding it, it's gonna remain 1. If I let it go, it's gonna update to 0. Thank you for your attention.